Home Depot out with third quarter results today. The company beating the street's expectations on both the top and the bottom lines. Home Depot saw its eighth straight quarter of negative comparable sales, but it was the smallest decline in the last 7 quarters. That stock is up by about 1.4% this morning. Joining us right now is Brian Nagel. He's senior analyst at Oppenheimer. And Brian, the company was pretty explicit in saying that some of the improvement it's seen, it's because of what they saw in the third quarter. They're still not giving a ton of guidance on what to expect in the fourth quarter and beyond. But what did you think of the earnings report?
Well, good morning, Becky. Look, I think it was more of the same. You know, I know we talk a lot about Home Depot and the home improvement space on your show. And as I dig through this third quarter report, it's more of the same. I think the upside, and like you mentioned in your opening, sales were a bit better than expected, still negative, but a bit better. The upside was really a function of weather. You remember we had 2 significant storms, that crossed Florida and the southeastern United States through the period. You also have these warmer temperatures, which can be kind of a mixed bag overall. But I think, nonetheless, I think this was largely a weather-driven sales upside. And we saw that in margins too, because these weather-related sales gains are usually less profitable.
They talked about categories that were improved, things like grills and paint that have been under pressure for some time. Is this just the cycle of people needing to renew things, or is this a little more consumer confidence?
Well, look, that's the hope. Okay, the hope is that all those grills that were purchased early in the pandemic are now worn down and people are buying new ones. Okay, but there's also probably a weather component. And this is where it gets a little difficult to decipher this in real time. But as the temperatures have stayed warmer across the country, that could drive some incremental grill sales later into the season. But all this said, I think the positive here is, and we're by no means out of the woods with Home Depot or home improvement, but it does show that there is still underlying demand, helped by weather, but there is still demand for these type of products.
Home Depot may have underperformed the market so far this year, but year to date, it's up about 20%. And that's nothing to sneeze at. That does imply that people are feeling much better about the prospects for, the return of home improvement projects coming back up.
Well, look, I think it's a great point. And I frankly have been a bit surprised with the strength in Home Depot shares. Like you pointed out, still underperforming a very strong market, but up meaningfully, big cap name. As I'm talking to our clients, what I hear a lot of is basically people buying the stock ahead of what's expected to be the benefits of lower rates. Now, I totally agree. As rates moderate, demand for home-related products will improve. But my team and I, we published a really significant analysis not that long ago, looking at past rate cycles. And what we showed is very clear. There's a significant, pronounced lead-lag relationship, meaning that the benefits to home-related spending oftentimes come well after rates moderate. I think right now, that's what I think is happening. But what the market's saying is that it's only a matter of time before home-related sales improve as the Fed continues to lower interest rates.